5 powerful chest exercises, 1 complete transformation. By the end of this workout, you'll know exactly what to do and why it works. Today we're covering barbell press, dumbbell press, push-ups, cable flies, and dips. 5 moves that build complete chest strength and size. Exercise 1, the barbell bench press. All you need here is a flat bench and a barbell. This is a gym staple for a reason. Pressing the bar up, drive through your palms and keep your elbows at roughly a 45-degree angle. At the top, fully extend your arms without locking your elbows out too hard, keeping tension on the chest. Lowering the bar back down slowly, let it touch just above your chest before pressing again. That's 1 rep. For this exercise, aim for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps to build both strength and size. Let's go again. Keeping the bar path consistent every single rep is what makes real progress happen. This exercise primarily builds your overall chest mass, hitting the middle and outer chest the hardest. Keep your feet planted on the ground and your back slightly arched for maximum stability and power. Once your set is done, rack the bar safely and take a short rest before your next set. Now let's move to exercise 2, the Incline Dumbbell Press. Exercise 2, the Incline Dumbbell Press. You'll need a pair of dumbbells and an incline bench set to about 30 degrees. Pressing both dumbbells up together, keep them slightly angled inward as they reach the top. At the top, let the dumbbells almost touch, really squeezing your upper chest together for a full second. Lowering the dumbbells back down slowly, feel a deep stretch across your upper chest at the bottom. That's 1 rep done. For this movement, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps for the best upper chest development. Let's continue. Moving with control on both the way up and the way down builds far more muscle than rushing. This exercise specifically targets your upper chest, the area that's hardest to develop with flat pressing alone. Keep the bench angle moderate. Too steep turns this into a shoulder exercise instead of a chest exercise. Once your set is complete, bring the dumbbells to your knees first, then set them down safely. Now exercise 3, and this one needs absolutely no equipment at all, push-ups. Exercise 3, push-ups. No equipment needed at all, just your body weight and floor space, anywhere you are. As you lower down, keep your elbows at a comfortable angle and your core braced the entire time. At the bottom, get your chest as close to the ground as you can without losing that straight body line. Pushing back up, drive through your palms and keep that straight line from your head to your heels. That's 1 rep. Since this is body weight, aim higher here. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps works great. Let's keep going. If a full push-up feels too hard, dropping to your knees is a completely valid option. Push-ups hit your entire chest evenly while also engaging your shoulders and triceps as a bonus. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Keeping that straight body line is what makes this exercise actually work. Once your set is done, take a short breather. Since there's no equipment, you can do this literally anywhere. Next up, exercise 4, the cable chest fly. Exercise 4, the cable chest fly. For this one, you'll need access to a cable machine with both pulleys set at chest height. Bringing your hands together in front of you, keep a slight bend in your elbows the whole way through. At the center, really squeeze your chest muscles together and hold that contraction for a moment. Opening your arms back out slowly, resist the cable's pull the entire way to keep tension on your chest. That's 1 rep. For chest flies, aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps with a lighter controlled weight. Let's do another. This exercise is all about the stretch and squeeze. not about lifting heavy weight. This movement isolates your inner and middle chest, giving you that defined separation other exercises miss. Keep a slight forward lean and soft knees. This keeps your balance solid throughout the whole movement. After finishing your set, let go of the handle slowly and controlled, then rest before the next round. Last exercise now, number 5, dips. Exercise 5, dips. All you need is a set of parallel bars, found at most gyms and even some outdoor parks. Lowering yourself down, lean your torso slightly forward to keep the focus on your chest, not just your triceps. At the bottom, get a deep stretch across your chest, but don't go so low that your shoulders feel strained. Pushing back up, drive through your palms and straighten your arms fully at the top. That's 1 rep. For dips, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, adding weight once body weight feels easy. Let's do another rep. Controlling the descent is just as important as the push back up here. Leaning forward like this shifts the focus onto your lower chest, an area most other exercises tend to miss. Keep your shoulders down and back, away from your ears, to protect your shoulder joints during this move. Once your set is finished, step down carefully and take a proper rest before the next round. That's all 5 chest exercises. Now, let's see what consistently training like this can actually build. Bench press, incline press, push-ups, cable flies, and dips. 5 exercises, every part of your chest covered. Do this consistently twice a week. And here's the kind of transformation that becomes possible over time. This is what consistency looks like. 5 exercises, 1 complete chest workout. Save this for your next gym day and follow for more transformations like this.